Hi guys, today I'm going to read a story named Exploding Watermelons. Here's my family. My dad has come up with a crazy idea. We're going to be exploding watermelons. We have 2 watermelons. We have to put rubber bands around them. The rubber bands will make them explode. My brother and I work together. Where are his safety goggles? We don't know when the watermelons will explode. We are all very excited and a little scared. Look at this picture. Everyone is very excited. We have to put on lots of rubber bands. The rubber bands squeeze the middles of the watermelons. Okay. Mom and Dad's watermelons has a lot of rubber bands on it. When will it explode? Dad sees bubbles. They are coming out of the top of our watermelons. Will ours explode soon? Mom and Dad come to help us with our watermelons. Each rubber band could be the last one. We are a little scared. Mom and Dad see something going on. We'll step back. The watermelon is starting to split. Open. Can you see it? Yeah. Split open. It's like a mouth. I'm going to explode. The watermelon says eyes and mouth. We'll all step away. 3, 2, 1. Boom! The watermelons exploding into the air. You see? Well, it's exploding up. Wow, that was crazy. Where did all of the pieces go? We'll move on to Mom and Dad's watermelons. We know this one is getting close too. Mom is scared. This one will explode on her. She and Dad add rubber bands quickly. Mom keeps stepping back. When will this watermelons explode? Oh, ooh, something is going on. Is this it? Mom sees a split in the top of the watermelons. It has to explode soon. Dad gets one more rubber band. He bent to put it on when boom! The watermelon explodes into the air. You see? We'll all scream. Pieces of watermelons fly everywhere. Mom is so scared. Ha 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 ha! That one went fast. We'll all laugh. We're surprised at how far the pieces flew. Watermelon pieces are everywhere. We'll have some we can eat too. That was fun way to open a watermelon. Dad's come up with the best idea.
Yay! Yay!